If you don't want to spend a lot of money, this recipe is for you. It is very cheap and very tasty. I have to say it's very cool. Here's what it is. Okay, so what I have here is $5.70 worth of chicken legs and back. It's only $1.29 a pound. And this is what I made of it. I ate 3 pieces already. Don't they look good? Nice and brown. Smells wonderful. Look at it. All for $5.70. And what's in it? What I used to marinate it. There's rice wine, a little bit of light soy sauce, scallions, turmeric powder, and also garlic. And I baked it at 400 degrees for 1 hour. And it tasted very good. I recommend it.